Welcome to Raging Earth, where we explore the most extreme natural phenomena and the challenges humanity faces in the wake of these events. In this video, we delve into a series of catastrophic natural disasters that have occurred around the world. Get ready to witness the unimaginable power of nature and the incredible resilience of people as they overcome these challenges. The Great Typhoon that struck Japan. On September 4, 2018, Japan was hit by one of the most powerful typhoons in history, Typhoon number 21. With heavy rainfall, fierce winds, and record-high tides, the storm battered Wakayama City. The winds were so strong that floodwaters breached even closed windows, and the force of the storm made the entire area feel as if it was being torn apart. Kansai International Airport also suffered greatly, as heavy rains flooded the surrounding areas, leading to prolonged flooding. The sight of a massive waterspout rising from the ocean off the coast of New South Wales, Australia, is another testament to the immense power of nature. Landslides and floods in India too has faced natural disasters, including a massive landslide on June 28, 2024, in the village of Tingahimudakar, located in the Uttarkashi region of Uttarakhand. This small village was buried under debris, causing significant damage to homes and lives. The pain and loss engulfed the entire community, but in these darkest moments, human resilience and solidarity shone brighter than ever. The devastating tsunami in Japan. Japan, a nation constantly at the mercy of nature's wrath, experienced a historic 9.0 magnitude earthquake on March 11, 2011. The earthquake triggered a massive tsunami with waves up to 40 meters high, sweeping away thousands of homes and claiming countless lives. The city of Makako and many other areas were wiped out by the tsunami, leaving a landscape of devastation and deep emotional scars. Yet, even in the face of such a catastrophe, the people of Japan demonstrated extraordinary resilience as they rebuilt their lives together. Landslides in Peru and Pakistan. In June 2023, a major landslide occurred in the Andean highlands of Peru, burying at least 150 houses and forcing hundreds of people to evacuate urgently. Meanwhile, in Pakistan, frequent landslides due to loose rock formations continue to obstruct transportation and threaten lives. From the high mountains of the Himalayas to densely populated areas, these landslides are constant reminders of the uncontrollable power of nature. Future natural disaster warning. Extreme weather events like typhoons, landslides, and tsunamis are not isolated incidents. They are warnings about the challenging future we face. Heavy rains, climate change, and earthquakes can strike at any time, demanding that we remain vigilant and well prepared. Heavy rains and snowmelt can lead to severe floods, as we recently saw in one of Canada's cities. Torrents of water rushed through the city via drainage systems designed to channel excess water from the mountains. Look at how easily this powerful current sweeps away roads and the foundations of houses near the river. It's incredible to see all the work done to build them reduced to nothing in an instant. A landslide occurred in one of the villages in Switzerland after a severe storm and snowmelt on the mountaintops. A mix of mud and rocks slid down the hill and struck one of the main roads. Fortunately, no one was injured, but houses and cars were damaged. When these people bought their houses, they wanted to be closer to the sea. They didn't worry about the usual water levels, and when the tide went out, the ocean didn't seem so close anymore. They never imagined that one day there would be an earthquake under the sea, leading to unpredictable consequences. The underground tremors triggered a tsunami that hit the coastal buildings, including this lovely house. Look at the force of that wave. It even smashed the door and flooded all the rooms. Can you imagine the shock on the homeowner's face when she returned and saw all the chaos? In 2022, Yellowstone National Park in the United States experienced floods unlike anything it had seen in over a century. There was an enormous amount of rain in the region, and unfortunately, this happened just as the snow was melting, causing river levels to rise quickly and flood the park. Park staff had to evacuate thousands of visitors who barely had time to enjoy their outdoor experience. The scariest part was that the storm washed away roads and even reached some homes. Streams and rivers overflowed, spilling into the streets and mercilessly sweeping away everything in their path. Imagine, just a few days ago, this was an ordinary city, and then suddenly it was engulfed by a phenomenal amount of water. It's really crazy. Conclusion. While nature can bring about devastating disasters, human resilience and unity are the greatest strengths that help us overcome any challenge. From Japan to India, from Peru to Pakistan, stories of courage and perseverance in the face of adversity continue to inspire us. Join us as we continue to explore the power of nature and the resilience of humanity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting future content. Thank you for joining Raging Earth on this challenging journey.
The scene before us is in complete chaos. Houses